My name is Shayma Khanna. I'm from 11th grade, Modern School, Barakhamba, Delhi. My experience was great. I am bad at listening to people, but I started listening to new people, and I engaged with Dustin, and he helped me understand leadership better. I learned how to adjust with people, and I also learned that sometimes things don't go your way, and you need to collaborate with people. At the end of the day, leaders are supposed to be the people who inspire people. When we made a 2-minute script thing, it made me feel like I was a genius, because we made it so well, and we just constructed it in 6 minutes, and we got it was really good. It was really fun. I would describe it to my friends like it's really fun, and you learn a lot in this conference. I want to go to UK or US, so I'm looking at colleges like UCL and everything, and I want to do psychology or law major. So social leadership is a big thing that can help in my college resume. 5 on 5, it was really good.